Over my years on the internet, one of the things that I get asked the most regularly is how I shoot my content, whether I have a photographer, what's going on. So I shoot pretty much everything on my phone, and I often do that with a tripod, which I fit in my car. But one of my secret weapons over the years for shooting spontaneous content, like an outfit of the day somewhere random, is this, which I found online maybe 4 or 5 years ago and purchased at the time. So I purchased this. And it is the pocket tripod. It is so cool. It is like a credit card size, so it fits in your wallet. It just transforms. You twist it and fold up the things, and it's like a stand. It's a stand for your phone, right? So cool. The good people at Pocket Tripod reached out to me and asked if I would like a new one, which of course I said yes, because as great as this one is, it's really nice to have one in my wallet, one in my car, So one of the things that I think is really, really cool about this is that it is designed so it can fit pretty much any phone. So there are a bunch of different sized adapters that hold your phone. You just use this to check which size you need. And the purchase comes with a credit, which you can apply to purchase a size that is not included. So I got the 11mm, which I worked out would work for my phone. This is just one of those things that I think is so freaking cool. I have a link to it here, and I also have a discount code for you because I'm just good like that, which is KD15. I honestly feel like it's one of those things that is kind of useful for everybody. It's great for me as a content creator, but I also think it's so valuable for you if you are someone who travels by yourself and you want to take photos. I can imagine this would be great as a parent if you want to take pictures with your kids. There's just so many things. It's really, really cool. So check out the link. This is definitely one of those things where it's yes, I am promoting a product I was gifted. There is a code, there is a link. However, this is so freaking KP endorsed. I cannot tell you how many times this has been a lifesaver for me shooting content over the years, especially when I've been traveling solo and I can use this to prop my phone up on things. So yeah, KP endorsed, gifted, but fantastic, and have paid my own money for it. So it's good.
See guys, as somebody who loves vlogging, loves lifestyle stuff, and is always on his phone, I'm always looking at other people. I'm thinking, damn, their stuff looks good. And I realize, well, it's because I have to set up my system. I got to get a better setup. But I didn't want to go and buy a full tripod or, go crazy with a camera or something. So this is a perfect solution if you want to save money and you want to have a better experience and a better vlog for your TikTok, for your Insta, hell, even your Twitter.
I'm always looking for ways to improve the quality of my stuff because as a content creator, y'all know it's competitive. And I feel like most people use tripods, but I've been way too scared to buy one because I feel like it's so bulky. How can I take it around? It's expensive. I'm inept, so I'm probably gonna break it, all these things. But then I saw this influencer that I really like gushing about, the pocket tripod right here. And I was like, oh my God, this is perfect because it's compact, thankfully not too expensive, and I can bring it anywhere. It's so convenient. So I looked into this thing, ordered it overnight, and you guys, I'm so happy. It's seriously improved the quality of all my content and it looks amazing now. And I don't even have to carry around a big tripod and look like a dork with me wherever I go.
So easy to use. You just pull it out and set it up and start recording.
It's also super sturdy and lightweight, so even if I drop it, it won't break. And you guys, again, I am so clumsy. This is a huge concern for me. But even if you hate posting online, that's cool. I get it. Social media is cringe. You can use this for so many other things. I use it for cooking, holding up my phone. I'm doing little recipes and I'm holding up music when I practice the trumpet, which I need to do more actually.